Welcome back. These are the new Huawei Nova 16 and Nova 16 Pro, and after spending real time with both, I can confidently say they live up to the hype. But there's one feature that surprised me the most, so stick around. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. First, let's talk about the design because it's the first thing you'll notice. These sky blue and sky white models feature a unique bamboo weave texture that instantly stands out. The blue version feels fresh, like ocean waves, while the white looks clean, elegant, and premium. Huawei's eye-catching dual-star camera design makes both phones instantly recognizable and gives them a stylish, youthful vibe. One detail I really love is the perfectly symmetrical camera layout. It looks balanced, clean, and incredibly satisfying. If you appreciate great design, you'll definitely notice it. For anyone wanting a modern-looking phone, the Nova 16 series delivers. Both phones are slim, lightweight, and comfortable to hold. The Nova 16 Pro adds a premium touch with its metal frame and glass body. Up front, both feature flat displays with even bezels, creating a sleek, polished look. Overall, the design easily earns top marks from me. Now for the cameras, the real highlight. Huawei has packed impressive camera hardware into the Nova 16 series. I'll leave the full specs in the comments, so check them out later. Starting with the standard Nova 16, it's rare to see Huawei's Hongfang original color camera and a Periscope telephoto lens at this price. Colors look natural even in tricky lighting, making every shot feel true to life. The telephoto lens also helps create beautiful background blur, making portraits look more professional with very little effort. The Nova 16 Pro takes things to another level. Its 100-megapixel main camera, combined with Hongfang color technology, captures stunning portraits in daylight, backlight, and even at night. Photos stay sharp, detailed, and full of depth. And thanks to the high-resolution sensor, they still look great even after cropping. Its telephoto camera makes portraits pop while keeping skin details natural. The ultra-wide camera also shoots macro photos from just 2.5 centimeters away, giving you endless creative options, from portraits to flowers and dramatic close-ups. No matter the scene, the Nova 16 Pro is ready. Selfie lovers won't be disappointed either. The front camera uses Huawei's Hongfang original color lens with advanced spectral sensing, producing natural skin tones even under indoor lighting. Fine facial details stay clear without making faces look over-processed, so selfies look realistic and full of life. Huawei has also upgraded the camera software with more creative shooting modes and smarter features, making photography easier, fun, and more enjoyable for everyone. Now here's a feature you'll actually use. With in-record flash capture, the Nova 16 series lets you record 4K video and snap high-resolution photos at the same time. No more choosing between video or photos, you get both in one shot. There's also live stitching, which combines multiple live photos into one dynamic image. Just press and hold to activate the motion effect, and your memories instantly feel more alive and creative. If your framing isn't perfect, Magic Move has your back. It intelligently detects people and automatically adjusts their position for a cleaner, better balanced photo. It's like having a smart photography assistant built in. Overall, the camera experience is powerful, fun, and packed with creative features that anyone can use. The Nova 16 series makes taking great photos incredibly easy. Now let's move to the final highlight, the all-around performance. Unlike many brands, Huawei gives both the Nova 16 and Nova 16 Pro the same flagship Kirin 9010S chipset. That means even the standard model delivers nearly the same core performance as the Pro. In daily use, both phones feel fast and smooth. Apps open quickly, and even demanding games like Honor of Kings run effortlessly. Thanks to Huawei's Ice Bridge cooling system, the phones stay cool even during long gaming sessions. Every model also supports 5A network connectivity, making gaming and online performance even better. If you're a mobile gamer, that's a big advantage. Battery life is another huge win. Every Nova 16 model packs a massive 7,000 mAh battery. Combined with Harmony OS 6.1, easily getting through a full day isn't a problem. Even if you forget to charge overnight, you'll probably still be fine. And when the battery finally runs low, 100W fast charging gets you back up and running in no time. Harmony OS 6.1 also adds fun features like Time Capsule, letting you personalize your lock screen with custom images and text for a unique look. Put everything together, and it's easy to see why I said these phones handled all my daily needs with ease. The Nova 16 series is clearly built for young, style-conscious users. It combines premium design with surprisingly capable hardware. The standard Nova 16 stands out by offering the same Kirin 9 series chip as the Pro, plus a Hongfeng original color camera and a 50-megapixel Periscope telephoto lens, features rarely found around the 2,000 yuan price range. That makes it an incredible value. If you want even more, the Nova 16 Pro adds a premium build and an exclusive 200-megapixel main camera for an even better photography experience. At the end of the day, both phones offer outstanding value. Whether you choose the standard model or the Pro depends on your budget and whether you need those extra upgrades. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more awesome tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.